without you.
Hello guys, it's me Shashank and I'm back with another video. So today we are going to play squads with my two default friends and try to grab them the second or third victory. So actually we got the victory royale like the first day. This is the victory umbrella and we'll show you how to get an easy dub. So let's start with the game.
Shashank,
If
promote
you
Advik to party leader.
Okay, if you are new to the channel, make sure like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of any of my videos. If you want to be a part of my games, make sure you drop in your epic name in the comment section
My favorite
so that I
skin.
can go ahead and add you.
Ross, best skin in the world.
What
love
is your
Ross.
25 car reward? Oh, I get V-Bucks. I'll go till tier
love
20.
Ross.
I'll go till tier
How much?
30.
The best skin.
I'll try to go till tier 30.
How much?
Need to
V-Bucks.
eliminate Podros.
How much
Need to
V-Bucks?
eliminate Podros
100.
And deal damage to sniper rifle.
Till next to next
Bro,
week,
how
I'll
much?
get.
Oh, only 100.
Till Tuesday I'll easily get the jewel skin easily.
Bro, what are you planning anything
very-
about the fashion show?
Later I don't think so because we need more people for that.
My favorite skin is never gonna let me down.
Even my favorite skin.
Ask Kabir what did Daksh say?
What did Duck say? He wanted to be a great footballer.
The
No.
Shashank,
Ask
Advik, shut up.
Yeah, shut up.
What did he say?
Veda.
Acha. Okay, I understood. I understood.
I'll agree to
It's bad about me. It's bad about me.
Shut up.
It's bad about me. I know. It's bad about me.
Veda, I don't care if you say anything.
I know it's bad about me. Advik, don't say. Yeah, even I kick you.
I'm not talking about that.
Bro, he's the party leader.
What?
Adil, don't tell bad things about me which others say.
I'm not telling anything. I'm telling that Veda, I don't care if you say shut up. Say that. I will agree to Kabir but not Veda.
3 seconds. Shut you down now.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Hey, I'm going into this
First
boat.
thing you listen
I'm
to
going
what
into
I
the
say.
secret boat. I'm going into the secret boat.
Let's go,
You
Rickety.
listen to what I say.
I'm going into a secret boat.
You listen to what I say.
Where's the song?
Over there.
Can't even see them out.
Where have you marked it?
Nice.
I see it.
It's over here somewhere. It's out of the map area.
It's at Rickety. Wait, where?
Bro, what glider are you using?
I'm using the victory glider. I'm going into that boat. That boat is very lucky because that boat has literally 12 shields like these things. 12 shield barriers. Everyone will
Look
get.
at my skin. Advik, look at my skin.
It's out of the map, so be careful. I'm out of the map.
Advik, look at my skin.
I'm
Look
out
at
of the
my
map,
skin,
really.
I'm at
Look at my favorite skin.
this is your favorite.
Fortune.
Yeah, it's such
Oh,
a
I
cool
got a
skin,
orb.
man.
Oh,
I'm not
come on,
last
bro.
one
I
game with my
got Chuck
favorite
Splash.
skin.
I got
Bro.
Chuck Splash.
Throw on me, throw
Yeah,
on
I'm
me.
here.
Veda.
Do it.
Break these
Yes.
things. Break these barriers. Break these things, not those. Yeah, break it.
Let me down in my life.
Keep breaking. You'll get shield.
Come on. Bro, there is a hunting rifle here if you want to take it.
Where are you?
I'm down here. Take it.
You stole the ammo. Give me the sniper ammo.
Break it. You'll get shields. See, there's up
No, I
also.
got charge. I got.
Veda, come over here. I'll give you more
Just gonna
shields.
fall
Yeah.
down.
Done? Full?
What was that? What
I
did
blew
you
up the map.
just?
Oh! Purple charge shotgun. Let's go.
What is the apple for?
Oh,
Apple is for
chest.
health. Oh, I have a big pot.
Let's go. Let's
Oh,
go.
bro. I need some shield. or
My
something.
favorite skin will never
Oh.
down.
Literally, Kabir needed to come to the place where I am. Everybody will get full. Would have got full shield.
That was mine.
My favorite
that was
skin will never let me
mine.
down. Thank you, Rox. You will always
come on,
stay my
come on,
favorite
come on.
skin.
Bro, just take some resources. Take some resources. We
Yeah, I'm
really need a
taking
lot of
shields and all for
resources.
you all.
Oh, Advik, come here, please. Advik, I have a surprise for you.
Okay, now where are we going?
Wait,
This is where?
Advik, I need you to come here right now. It's really important.
Veda, carry these chug splashes.
Wait,
I'll drop it over here.
Advik, come to me.
let me open.
I see you.
I need
Carry
a
these
chest.
chug splashes over here. Veda, come down.
Advik,
Carry
come
these
here
chug
fast.
splashes.
It is very important.
What happened?
Look at
You have
the
more
code.
space,
It's a
Veda.
magical
Veda, you have
power.
more space.
Just stay. Stand.
Come up
stand
and carry
in
these.
front of
Now I don't.
Now you
Go
don't.
fast. It will give you.
I'll let it
It will
die.
give you full shield. Go there.
Leave it, leave it.
Bro, I know it. I know वो पूछता है.
Now where are we
It's
going?
not going to
Don't.
close.
Come in this, Veda, come in this boat. Come in this boat.
No, no, no.
Take
I'm
it.
Go near
not coming
Kabir.
near you. I'm not
Hurry,
coming near
look, I
you.
threw it down. Look, I threw it. Nothing happened. Bye.
Yep, I'm there.
Kabir, I have a big
Nothing
ball for
happened
you.
to me. I knew it.
What the? I'll just get in the fire to give you help. This will give you help.
No, it doesn't. I know
It
it
gives you
doesn't.
shield also. Hurry, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Okay. Oh, nice flopper.
Is anyone?
Veda, I have finished time to go off. But I am a better player than you, so I keep finished time.
Kabira ko come over here.
Let us. Kabira is coming.
Biggie
Where
potty.
you are?
Big pot. Kabir, that place was in the zone. Advik, that place was in the zone. You want shields? Kabir, come out. Kabir, come out. Come out of the boat.
Yeah, I am over here.
My favorite skin,
Oh.
Rock, will never let me down. Never.
Hey, Veda, go far from it.
Yeah. Fire what?
That thing. हाँ वेदा भाग भी गया Advik. Lol. Advik, for everybody hop in this boat. Hop in this boat. I'll take you to the shield place.
Yeah, wait.
Advik, you'll get a lot of shield.
Let's go to let's get ocean. Let's get ocean.
Wait. Let's get Advik full shield. Advik, hop in.
That I'm not concerned about.
Yeah,
I'm
wait.
Hop in.
ocean that Fortella, right?
Yeah, you take
that
ocean.
Fortella, right?
Yeah.
Ocean will come. Rocks is gonna take ocean. I need backup.
Wait, we'll come after taking the shields and all.
Shit, मेरा bank
Guys,
is
Veda
here.
in the air.
So come back.
Let's go authority.
Wait, let's give them full shield. Advik, go in the
I'm
boat.
going Catty.
Advik, go in. Go inside this boat and destroy all the slurp barriers. Go in and destroy all the slurp barriers. You'll get shield.
And what am I supposed to do? Stay here?
Stay in the boat and eat the mushrooms in the top.
Not
After
able
def-
to.
go up, go up.
I know. I just suffocated. Yeah.
There is slope here.
Come over here. See, here, over here. There's 3 over here. Oh, up there, over there.
Where? Oh yeah.
Are done? Come over here.
Ah.
Eat these
Guys,
mushrooms.
the storm is coming.
Over here, mushrooms. There are 3.
Yeah. Where is the mushroom? Okay. How do
Who's
I-
firing rockets? It's Kabir. Eat the mushrooms. Advik, eat. You. Arey, Kabir, don't fire.
Doing that.
Destroy the
Don't
content.
fire, dude. Get that.
Who's this? Vortex Manav.
My student.
Kabir, don't wait. Let him drink mini. Eat those. Advik, eat the mushroom.
Are you playing right now? Or you're playing with your friends?
I'm playing with my friends. I come to you.
Okay, fine, it's fine. If you're done with your game now, you can invite me.
Sure.
Yeah, this is my last game, Kabir.
Come hop in one boat. Advik, hop in.
That. Yeah, wait.
Kabir, kitty corner. Catty
I
corner.
can see it. It's flipping now.
I'm telling you.
I have a purple hunting rifle.
Rocks.
Shark!
Shit!
WSDD, wrong time.
अरे laser के डांस चौक.
You laser, we'll go and have taser.
Sure.
I am
But we're
going
kind
up.
of in the middle of
That was the most boring I'm watching your game. That was the most boring 45 minutes or 15 minutes of the sir
Bye, Advik.
at 7:25
Oh no.
who died
Down.
again.
You wait for me.
See, Kabir will come.
I got your Kabir, I got your landline number. It's
Stop doing that.
Veda, hop in this chopper. Veda, hop in this chopper.
There's an enemy boat. There's an enemy boat.
oh my god, Misty, just get in the chopper.
Hop in. Kabir and Advik, you all are coming.
Wait.
Advik, get in.
There are enemies.
Come in the chopper.
Just get in the chopper, Kabir. Just get in the chopper.
Wait, even I'm coming.
Kabir, I found your landline number. Shashank, get out. You're dead.
Why is
Oh shit!
Oh my god, Shashank is goated. Go for this knife.
Oh, no scope. No scope.
Oh, no scope. Oh, Shashank, you're a legend. Oh my god, Shashank will kill
Kabir!
let Shashank take the AR ammo. Give Shashank the AR ammo. He needs it.
Very bad. Okay, there's a
Very
guy.
close.
Shashank, you're a legend. Shashank,
We're
you're a
getting
legend.
ignored.
Any doubt?
Just in case people didn't Rock.
Wait, who's using a boat?
No scope. No scope. No scope. No scope.
Wait, Shashank, you're the what's it called? The Slade outfit, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the back.
I am like lucky
I'm
scared.
actually waiting to go up to level 50 and then I'll buy the battery pass. So I can like unlock skins faster. I'm like
Who's
completely...
flying?
Everyone on?
Veda, hop in. Veda, come in. Arey, Advik.
Who's using the... Arey, yaar.
Come in.
Make the party private.
Come, go. Go for Catty.
It's public. It's public, that's why. Go to Catty now. Go to Catty corner.
Yeah, we are going over there.
Someone tried to go through the storm.
Advik, it's Advik. He's lagging. He's lagging the whole chopper. Advik, swap seats. Advik, swap seats.
Kabir, you have the Pokemon outfit. You got the Pokemon Pokemon.
It's loser fruit.
That is loser.
Rocks is loser fruit.
That is-
Advik, change seats. Advik, swap seats.
There is something up.
Advik,
Yeah,
you
wait.
seriously?
Advik.
He's lagging.
Yeah,
guys.
do that.
You're not
Do
shouting.
that.
We're all we're stuck here.
Got it.
Yes, Shashank.
Yeah.
Yeah, you all won't reach. You all have 1 minute. Yeah. Someone must have gone to Catty. Catty is like the best place.
Oh, the henchmen are still there. Henchmen are still there.
Yeah, just put a disguise on. There's one here, that small house. All of your oh, people died too. People died.
I don't think Kitty is alive.
I am just gonna laser everything in my damn car.
Just check in the wall.
Yeah, I'm going over there only.
Fucking idiot.
That sounds like the
The
drum
zone
gun.
is coming.
That.
Zone is coming.
Oh no.
No, the wall's not open. Wall's not
Check
open.
him down. Check the henchman
Where is he?
down. Just
Where's the damn henchman?
he's behind you.
Oh, I got it.
Take the forget the wall. boy.
I'm out.
Thing is, you go inside the zone.
Give Kabir
Is Veda inside the zone?
I am not.
Oh, snipe.
Kabir,
Morders.
Yeah, you know Veda somebody.
Oh shit!
Oh, Shashank, what are you
I'm
doing?
running.
Just escape. You have that thing. Oh, Advik is dead. There's no way Advik is dead. Just Shashank, you know that it's a shockwave grenade launcher. It doesn't kill anyone.
Oh.
It's supposed to launch you. Shashank, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm using my hunting.
Shit,
Yeah, bro.
Just use the shockwave grenade and go to in.
Wait, I need to kill these guys.
Look at
This is my
Advik.
mission.
Advik is lagging, so Advik is going to die.
Arey, let me kill them.
There's another
Don't
one.
try and take my kills.
Dude, don't. You're going to die. These people have heavy sniper, not heavy bolt action. And they have aimbot. These people have. Bro, Advik is these guys.
Advik, come out.
Advik, come out and
I know I
stand next to him.
lagged.
Shashank, don't kill him. Shashank, don't kill him. I
I
need to
can-
kill him. I have a mission.
Shake him down.
Oh no. Someone
Advik,
give
come
me a
over here.
medkit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even you
Yeah,
apply.
thanks.
Shashank, he has 6 shield. Give some to Kabir.
I have only one med kit.
You have 6. I'm talking about shield.
I have 6 shield.
Yes.
Kabir, take. Where are you?
Kabir, like 2 or 1.
Later.
Bro,
Okay.
shield. No, wait, have you ever used the
Veda, what are you doing lazy?
Kabir, wait. I have a med. I have a launch pad. Veda's dead. Damn.
Yeah, you know, so you know how to use it now.
Shashank,
Kabir
seriously.
Ask
I'm
Kabir
dying.
for RPG ammo. Ask Kabir for RPG ammo. You won't find it.
I'm not giving him no RPG ammo. He just knocked me off my build. No way I'm giving him anything.
Just apply the medkit, Shashank. Check.
Kabir,
You
take
won't
this. I don't want this gun. You take it. I want the. Oh, med
Give
kit.
me RPGs.
I don't have.
RPGs.
He only had like 1 or 2 or something.
I had 3. Wait, I have a.
Apply the medkit. You
Wait,
won't
first we'll
survive.
go in the zone.
Veda.
Veda's like full health. She did not come in the fight only, I think.
No, where is Veda? She'll be in the zone.
No, she's out. She's out. She's safe.
Veda, wait.
Yeah,
See you. Wait up.
She's in zone.
Advik. Okay.
Veda-
Advik is good.
What?
Veda,
Nothing.
Advik is lagging so much.
Behind you.
Take the chuck flashes. Just use the chuck flashes. Don't use the. No, I'm saying use the chuck flashes. Yeah, and
Yeah,
take the
I'm
shield
using
back.
There are players who I'm rushing.
Wait, I'll try to
No,
grab.
wait.
Veda, you know how to fight.
I don't think so.
Oh my.
There are murderers. Yes.
Swap your medkit.
Yeah, battle pass level 20. Now I'm level 26. About to be level.
Swap your medkit, dude. Floppers are better than medkits. They're faster. If
I
you
got
find
him.
another,
Veda, let me kill him. Okay, fight. Actually, I'll take that back.
are you
Oh.
fighting against murders?
Yeah.
No, we're fighting players.
Come
How
here.
many have you killed?
I've got 2.
Bro, where?
Kabir, you are
He
low.
had the one to second receive.
Where are?
He had the glider gun.
Grappler gun.
Glider gun.
Grappler gun.
Yeah, grappler gun. No, it's glider gun.
Grappler gun.
Juice.
Help me.
Juice grappler.
Grappler gun was Kai's.
Back up. Ah, shit.
Kabir died.
Back up.
Coming.
Just someone start
Murders!
shooting randomly. Just start shooting.
Veda, revive me, please. Revive me, Veda.
Boom!
Oh.
You never mess with the champ, bye. Oh, still the murders are killing us. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you have an awesome day. Thank you. Bye-bye.